how rich people avoid paying taxes to get richer? The majority of individuals in this country, as well as in every other country, make their living through regular employment that provides them with hourly earnings or regular paychecks. This is true in every country. Despite the fact that different nations have diverse legal systems, they all share the same fundamental framework. The wealthy are able to find a way to avoid contributing to them. In spite of the fact that regular people are subject to taxation, the vast majority of millionaires and billionaires either do not pay any taxes at all or pay a very small amount of tax. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today we are going to talk about how rich people avoid paying taxes to get richer. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Number 5. Stepped-up basis loophole. The stepped-up basis tax loophole is the largest tax loophole in the world, but the majority of average people are ignorant of it. By doing so, the wealth of the family is permitted to remain within the family, and taxes are avoided. Those who are not aware of this fact should know that when stocks are transferred to an heir after the death of the original owner, the successor will only be required to pay taxes on the profit that was made after they inherited the stock. Because of this, there is no tax on gains made in the past, which is the means by which wealthy families are able to preserve their money. Number 4. Lawyers to avoid paying taxes. People who are wealthy often retain the services of attorneys who are experts in avoiding excessive taxes and protecting their possessions. In spite of the fact that they take a significant cut, these attorneys ensure that their clients do not incur any financial losses due to taxes. Wealthy individuals make use of their connections and power in order to advocate for policies that exempt them from paying taxes. They have strong relationships with legislators and bribe them in order to avoid paying taxes in the future. They do this by maintaining strong contact with legislators. As a result of their familiarity with the tax rules and their ability to quickly identify loopholes that allow their clients to save money, tax lawyers are able to provide assistance to their clients. Number 3. Charity and donations. Despite the fact that many wealthy people have the belief that they should give back to the community and donate significant amounts of money, not all of them have the best interests of the community at heart. For the most part, they do so in order to avoid paying taxes. Easements for conservation are one method that the wealthy have used to take advantage of the tax. Rich people may be able to recoup the majority of the taxes they have paid by donating to charitable organizations. Because they have made the decision to donate their earnings to charitable organizations, they are able to virtually avoid paying any taxes at all. Number 2. Living off loans to avoid taxes. You are not required to pay taxes on money that you borrow because it is not considered income. This is something that the wealthy take advantage of. As a result of the fact that selling the equities would need to result in the payment of taxes on them, they use their stock shares to obtain large loans from banks and then use those loans to fund their lifestyles. As an illustration, Elon Musk, the chief executive officer of Tesla, uses his stock as collateral when he takes out loans. Elon is able to maintain his lifestyle in this manner, and he is able to avoid paying taxes on the money he borrows because it is not subject to taxation. Number 1. Holding wealth in stocks and real estate. For the most part, wealthy individuals do not store their money in banks or make it easily accessible. The way in which they handle their wealth is distinct from the way that regular people do it. A portion of their wealth is invested in stocks or real estate, both of which are exempt from taxation until they are sold. A consequence of this is that the wealthy continue to amass wealth as the value of their assets increases, but they do not have to pay taxes on those assets. For instance, Jeff Bezos, the former CEO of Amazon, pays almost no taxes because the majority of his wealth is invested in Amazon stocks, which are not taxed until he sells them. This allows him to avoid paying substantial amounts of taxes. Conclusion: those who are wealthy have discovered a number of ways to avoid paying their taxes in the correct manner, thereby saving millions and billions of dollars. Many live off loans, and many invest in stocks and other assets that cannot be taxed until sold. Charities and donations are also being used by rich people to get tax relief. Rich people also hire tax lawyers to assist them in identifying loopholes in order to avoid paying taxes and save their clients money. Billionaires use their influence and connections to tweak the laws and promote laws that benefit them. Outro. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.